I'm Sarah, crafter and senior digital editor for Gathered.how. I'm going to show you how to make this sweet, festive gingerbread house. It's a fun and easy project. Here are the materials that we're going to use for this project. Some tacky PVA glue, scissors, your gingerbread house templates, a scalpel for cutting out the fine details, a metal ruler and an embossing tool, although you could also use a butter knife for this. First, print out the gingerbread house templates on the material of your choice. Christmas is a super creative period for me, so I need a printer that's reliable, ultra low cost and efficient. Let's take a look at the ET-2856. This printer sits within Epson's EcoTank range, which all use refillable ink tanks rather than messy, expensive cartridges. Each set can print thousands of pages, so you really don't need to worry about running out of ink unexpectedly. A cartridge-free Christmas is starting to look like a great option. Let's fill up the tank. Lift the scanner and the ink tank lid. Raise the lid of the colour you want to refill. Attach the bright colour bottle to the tank. Wait a few minutes for it to fill up. Set your document to print and bingo! It's as easy as that. Quick and mess-free. Cut around the templates using a craft knife and a metal ruler, rotating the paper in between cuts. Turn the paper right side up and use a butter knife or embossing tool and ruler to score along the dotted lines. Position the ruler over the dotted lines. Run the embossing tool alongside the ruler while gently pressing into the surface of the paper to create an indented line. Carefully fold all the scored lines into mountain folds, like this. Apply a thin layer of tacky PVA glue to the roof tabs, holding each tab in place for a few seconds while it dries. Next, glue the long tab along the side of the house and press it in place. Fold down the two smaller flaps on the base of the house and finally fold down the two larger flaps. Link them together by sliding the two small slits into one another. It's as easy as that. You can easily whip up a whole village of these tiny houses, string them into bunting or hang them as tree decorations. If you're looking to enjoy a crafty cartridge-free Christmas this year, the Epson EcoTank range is ideal. And there are some great pre-Christmas offers too. Head to epson.co.uk/ecotank or check out the Epson store on Amazon to see the full range. Right, I'm going to get busy with my tiny gingerbread village. Happy printing and have a great crafty Christmas.